Hi! It's Friday the 11th of December. We're almost halfway through December. Crazy. But I'm getting my hair done today and I'm just getting ready right now. My appointment is at 12 and I think it's like 10:45 right now, so I'm pretty early. So I'm just doing my brows right now. I've already got some face makeup on, nothing too crazy. I have foundation, a bit of concealer, bronzer, blush, and powder. So I am pretty early. It's 11:12 right now. Gotta leave in like 8-10 minutes to catch the train, and then yeah, we're gonna go get my hair done. I am kind of nervous but also excited. Kind of nervous for my bank account actually, but I don't know, I trust the people doing my hair, so yeah, this is my outfit. I've been wearing the same t-shirt for almost the entire week now, but I didn't do much in this t-shirt. I just wore it to get groceries, to get dinner, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then this t-shirt is from, it's obviously the brand Wrangler, but I got it on Princess Polly. Jeans are from Topshop. They're the editor jeans and I really like them. My ring from the Etsy store that I showed in my last video, or like 2 videos ago. And then I've got this Swarovski ring. I look pretty cool. Okay, Ray-Ban sunglasses. I don't remember, it's like that hexagon shape. I got it from my workplace actually. And yeah, that is my outfit. I'm gonna be wearing my Birkenstocks too. This is the before of my hair. It looks more blonde on camera, I don't know why, but in person it looks very brassy, or in Malay, karat. I'm gonna go. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this hair. Honestly, it matches the cat. Muppet. Hello. Obsessed. Obsessed. Can't see. Oh, I love it. It's literally so pretty. Wow. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'll try and see if I can get it from the back. I am obsessed. Dude, I'm so happy with it. The microphone is like facing the other way, so you probably can't hear me very well, but I love it. It's so pretty. Look. Okay, the end. Good morning gang, it's Saturday today and I'm not doing much. I've just washed my brushes I washed my makeup brushes and I'm currently washing my pillows, and it's taking a while. I can only fit one pillow in the washing machine, so I'm doing one pillow at a time. One pillow took about an hour. Another pillow, I'm gonna wash another pillow right after this, so it's gonna be another hour. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Doing a lot of cleaning, and I think I might film a upper body workout today. I'm not going to the gym, I'm working out at home because I want to train my chest and shoulders, and based on my last video we know that I don't do well training chest and shoulders at the gym. I can train shoulders, I cannot train chest at the gym because I'm very self-conscious about it. So that's what we'll be doing today. Oh my god, I figured out an angle. $162 calories. Can be better, but normally I don't burn as much calories when I do upper body days anyway, so it's pretty good. Okay, I'm so tired. I'm gonna make protein pancakes for my lunch right now, so that's my lunch. There's a bit of protein in there, so pretty good. I'm gonna eat now because I'm starving. Good morning. Oh, there's stuff on my lens. Good morning. It's Sunday now. As you can see, it's a very pretty day outside. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of lazy to go to the gym today. I should be going, but I'm very not interested right now, so I don't know what to do. But anyway, right now I'm just gonna go to the grocery store, get some groceries for half of the week. See, right now when I go grocery shopping, I don't buy for the entire week anymore because I find that the stuff goes bad before I want to use them, so I only buy for like half the week. So why am I coughing? Yeah, I'm only getting stuff for half of the week. And I don't know if you can see, this side is like somewhat curly, this side is basically straight again. This side is curly because I curled this side last night, so that's why it kind of looks like this now. But anyway, I'm just gonna go to the grocery store, come back, get dressed for the gym, and then we work out. Woo! My chest is so sore from yesterday's workout, which is good. I finally got some chest workouts in, so yeah. My total came up to $48.76, I think, which is a lot considering I only got stuff for like two meals, not even 2 meals actually. I'll do a haul. Potato, toothbrush refill, 2 bananas, sesame bagel, pasta. This is the reason why it was kind of expensive. This was $10. This is beef bacon, light cooking cream, chicken stock, white mushrooms, parmesan cheese, garlic or shallot, brown onion. That was all $48.75. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge, get ready, why do I say ready? Get ready for the gym, and then come back, make my lunch, and yeah.
It smells amazing. Very excited to eat this. There's a bit of truffle oil in there too, so
I'm gonna eat this now. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys like this video. And the cat is trying to bite my foot. Hope you guys like this video. See you whenever I see you. Muppet! Stop.